Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So here we are. It's actually snowing out today, guys. If you look really just above me here, you can see that I've got snow accumulating on top of the greenhouse. Inside the greenhouse, however, it's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's good. I did a lot of transplanting yesterday. Not all transplants, but right here, you can see what I did with my brand new cat litter box buckets is put all the plants in them like this. They're brand new buckets, they're washed out. And of course they've got the handle in case I want to move the plants around. So I've actually put squash in a lot of them. And you can see here that my squash is actually beginning to flower, which is so funny because it's only April. I wasn't expecting that, so they're happy. Planted my green beans. Now a few of them have gone into shock, but that's okay. We've got quite a few plants in here as well. And then I'm double dutying it here, so I'm cleaning up and I'm planting at the same time. So here comes the horseradish one more time. The plant that you absolutely cannot kill. I've done a good job with containing it in terms of making sure that it's sort of staying on this side of the bed. So we have now 2 clusters of this that we're going to be picking. So hopefully it behaves itself and it stays on this side of the bed only. All right, so here are our tomatoes. So this was in the video that I was showing you yesterday. We've got all of our primos are put in all the way around, and none of them have gone into shock, which is kind of nice. And the reason why I have these 3 stakes here is because I realized that over the winter, my Willamette hops actually survived. So we're looking way down here. I've got a second vine coming up and a third one. And then we've got all 3 vines here for the Willamette hops coming up. Actually, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have another one here. So this is all gonna, it's all gonna shoot out. And the idea is just to have it climb just the cattle panel here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna harvest our hops. So it was a real surprise to me. I didn't think it was going to survive, but it was happy, and I can't believe how much it's grown actually in just a short amount of time. So we'll see how that goes this year. And as we move further down, you can see that at the back here, the one thing that did go into shock, which is no shock, is the cucumbers because they're just so fussy. I fully expect them to recover, and then they can do their thing and climb up the panel. And then I've got some okra and I've got some peppers. We've got some cauliflower. And I've kind of spread them out, and I'm going to try to keep them just basically nice and thin so it doesn't take up a lot of room. Cauliflower can take up a lot of room. And then if I turn around and I look in the other bed here, way in here, we've got a nice big purple asparagus spear and another one that's actually just starting to come up. And we have another patch over here that has a couple coming up. So now what we can do is we can snip that off, get my scissors. I'm gonna go around because it came up around the roses and don't want to injure myself with the roses. So we're gonna cut that just above. And there we go. So now we have a nice purple asparagus spear that we can chop up and we can have tonight with dinner. And of course, just over from there, our green onions are doing amazing. So these are our Egyptian walking onions. And then smack dab right in the middle of the floor, we've got our crabapple tree, which is just amazing. It's very, very happy. And then take a look at this, guys. My mulberry tree has finally come to life. It's got all kinds of brand new buds on it, and it's starting to leaf out, so that's excellent. Okay, guys, that was just a really quick garden tour because we're just starting to put things into pots and into buckets and into the garden beds. But I just wanted to show you that we are well on our way to growing. And not only that, but we are definitely on our way to getting some food. super excited. See you soon.